here we go. We're going to start building the garden. So getting the John Deere put together and going to haul all the stuff back up in the John Deere and bring it down to where we need to get it done. So wish me luck. Let's go. Good morning. We're starting day 2 of putting together the raised garden beds by the Green Fence Company. I'm pretty excited. We still have quite a bit to go. There's some of the empty boxes, some of the tools I need for flattening, and the rest of the boxes. So that's about 10 more boxes that I need to do, but we're going to get it done and get it rearranged. I also, last night, looked at reconfiguring what I was going to do for the final layout. Originally I was going to do the 3 U boxes with a 4-foot in between, but then as I started looking at my space a little bit more, I decided that I wanted to do something a little bit different. So I'm going to show you that in a picture that I pop up on the screen in a second of how I reconfigured it, and now I'm going to get to moving it around. Okay, good morning. Well, we finished the raised beds yesterday. I finished putting in the raised beds yesterday. They came out pretty cool. There are 20, I believe there's 20 planting spots. It's raised gardens. They're made by Green Fence Company. I ordered them and had them at the house by FedEx 3 days later. It was pretty amazing that they were that fast. So after you figure out the actual layout, then you put in the order, you call them, and they gave a pretty good deal. So pretty excited about it. So today the dirt gets delivered. We're going to deliver it on that tarp, and I'll be getting the beds leveled out prior to that, and hopefully get all the dirt in today and probably tomorrow too. All right, that's the word.